am Keisha. My field hockey league took a survey of the players' favorite sports drink flavors. My favorite flavor is cherry. I'm going to show you how to use circle graphs to find out what % of the other players like which flavors best. 80 players from my field hockey team were surveyed about their favorite sports drink flavor. The results of the survey are displayed in the circle graph. The circle graph shows the flavor of the sport drink and the number of players who chose it as their favorite. We have orange with 24 votes, cherry with 14 votes, other with 11 votes, berry with 6 votes, grape with 9 votes, lemon lime with 16 votes. What % of the players prefer lemon lime flavor? I want to find the % of players that prefer lemon lime sports drink. 16 players out of the 80 surveyed prefer lemon lime flavor. I need to convert the fraction 16 over 80 to a decimal by dividing or using a calculator. Then I can write the decimal as a %. 16 divided by 80 equals 0.2. To convert a decimal to a %, I move the decimal 2 places to the right and add a % symbol. In this case, I have to add another 0 as a placeholder when converting 0.2 to a %. So I have 20%. 20% of the players prefer lemon lime sports drink. Let's try another problem. Using the same information, what % of the players prefer berry flavor sports drink? 6 players out of the 80 surveyed like berry flavor best. I need to convert the fraction 6 out of 80 to a decimal by dividing or using a calculator. Then write the decimal as a %. 6 divided by 80 equals 0.075. Move the decimal 2 places to the right and I have 7.5%. 7.5% of the players prefer berry. Let's try one more problem. Using the same information, what % of the players prefer cherry or grape flavor sports drink? This is a little different because I have 2 flavors. I know that 14 like cherry and 9 like grape. I will add the 2 numbers. 14 plus 9 equals 23. 23 out of the 80 players surveyed like cherry or grape flavored sports drinks. I need to convert the fraction 23 out of 80 to a decimal by dividing or using a calculator. Then write the decimal as a %. 23 divided by 80 equals 0.2875. Move the decimal point 2 places to the right, and the result is 28.75%. 28.75% of the players prefer cherry or grape flavored sports drinks. We just used a circle graph to find %. It's my turn to bring the drinks to practice, so I guess I should buy a lot of orange sports drink since it's the flavor most players preferred. See ya!